Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito sa mga sinabi ng Ripple Lead Product Manager kung saan ang paparating na XRPL AMM ay maaring makatulong daw po ito para mapalago ang XRP utility. Kaya ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan. The upcoming automated market maker on the XRP ledger could help booster more need and utility for XRP, according to Jasmine Cooper, lead product manager at Ripple. Ayan, sa mga para sa atin pong mga investor ni Ripple or XRP, kung magkakaroon talaga ito ng boost sa kanyang need at saka utility para kay XRP ay isa po itong demand. Yan, kumbaga yan, yung sabi rito ay nagkaroon ng bolster more need in utility for XRP. Ang tingin po natin dito ay demand. Ang epekto nito sa market price ni Ripple or XRP ay demand. At kung nagkakaroon ng demand sa market price ni XRP ay ayan, aangat po ang market price nito. Lalago at tataas ito. Kaya yan po yung masarap na pakinggan pagdating dito sa development na ito ng Ripple. Ayan, Cooper made these remarks while speaking with Eri, a prominent YouTuber and XRP community figure, in a recent interview. Eri has raised a question pertaining to the likelihood of the AMM affecting XRP's tokenomics when it officially launches on the XRPL. Will the AMM change XRP's tokenomics? Yan, this coming of new DeFi products, particularly the AMM, is it going to change at all the tokenomics of XRP? Eri asked an inclusive interview which she shared on X today. Yan po yung malaking tanong dito. Kung babaguhin nga ba ng AMM na ito yung tokenomics ng Ripple. Kung pag may pagbabago dyan, ay yan, malaki po ang impact nito kung ano yung pwedeng mabago rito. For context, there have been a discussion within the XRP community surrounding the growing assertions that the AMM could alter XRP's tokenomics. Particularly, the influencer behind the prominent media account Dig Perspectives recently asked if the AMM could transform XRP into more of a stable coin. Ayan, mukhang ang posible raw pong mangyari rito. Ayan, kapag na-implement ang AMM na ito at kanyang binago yung kanyang tokenomics ay mukhang baka ang kalalabasan nito ay magiging stable coin si XRP. As recently reported by the Crypto Basic, crypto author Panos Mekras dispelled any assertions in this direction. Mekras emphasized that XRP's tokenomics are immutable, making it near impossible to observe such a fundamental change. Yan naman po ang sinabi ni Panos Mekras na ang tokenomics daw ni XRP ay immutable at mukhang napakalapit sa imposible na maobserbahan ang kanyang mga pagbabago sa kanyang fundamentals, yan, fundamental change. He further stressed that regardless, XRP would not need to pivot to a stable asset as the AMM would thrive on volatility. Notably, Eri shares similar sentiments, recently arguing on X that AMM would not transform XRP to a stable coin because it harvests volatility. Yan naman po ang sinabi ni Eri. Yan, sa kanyang parehong sentiments dito na ang XRP ay hindi po magta-transform ito na hindi po ito magiging isang stable coin kasi meron po siyang volatility. Kaya ayan, Ripple's lead product manager confirmed this in the interview with Eri. She noted that she does not believe the AMM would change XRP's tokenomics. Yan, maging yung lead product manager ni Ripple ay hindi siya naniniwala na babaguhin ni AMM yung tokenomics ni XRP. Kaya yan, emphasizing that the asset works on the XRPL as a utility token for gas in accounts reserve. I really don't think it's going to change the tokenomics, Cooper said. Yan na nga mismo yung direktang kanyang sinabi. Sa kanyang sariling opinion ay hindi magbabago ang tokenomics ni XRP. Bolstering XRP utility. While dismissing any claims of a change in tokenomics, Cooper highlighted how the automated market maker could actually impact XRP. According to her, amid growing interest, the EMM would introduce greater need for XRP, essentially bolstering its utility. Ayan naman po ang sinabi ni Cooper dito na si AMM ay mag-i-introduce siya ng need or demand para kay XRP dahil sa magkakaroon siya ng bolstering sa kanyang utility. She remarked, as we see growth in adoption, I think we'll just see a greater need and greater utility of the token itself. AMM introduced with the XLS30D amendment is currently enshrined with the XRPL version, Ripple version 1.12.0. Validator consensus for the AMM has not reached the prerequisite level, an issue that has triggered concerns among community members. Voting is still ongoing for the amendment at the reporting time, with a current 40% consensus. So far, 14 validators, including Ripple and BitTomp, have voted yeah to the implementation of the amendment. However, 21 validators still retain a nay vote. Ayan. Hindi pa natatapos yung voting. Kaya siguro sa mga susunod na meron tayong susunod na follow-up sa balitang ito. Ayan, para sa resulta ng kanilang voting system na ito. Kaya yan po ang AMM na paparating na XRPL AMM. Ayan, wag daw po tayong mag-alala sapagkat ang AMM na ito ay hindi raw po magdudulot ito ng pagbabago sa tokenomics ni XRP. Kaya yan, ang magandang ang mangyayari dito ay magkakaroon ito ng bolster sa utility ni XRP. Kaya yan po ang benefit ng AMM. Kaya yan, kung pag nagkaroon ng bolster, ito ay magresulta ng need, ayan, at saka demand. Ayan. Kaya aangat at lalago. Ayan, sa bandang huli, ang pinakaresulta ay aangat at lalago ang market price ni Ripple or XRP dahil dito. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, pag-i-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pag-i-click na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.